Hey guys, I hope you're having a great Monday without me. I will see you all tomorrow. I wanted to quickly give you a little quick rundown on your note cards. Now, I don't have any note cards at home, so I just have this notebook paper that I'm going to use to remind you how to do things. Remember, your top left corner right over here is going to be your topic. This is a subtopic, not the topic of your overall paper. That means it might be history, it might be name brands, it might be restaurants, depending on what your topic is for your paper. Your subtopics are going to all be different. It's going to be one, maybe two words that kind of summarize what the fact is about. In your top right corner over here is your MLA citation. That's going to be the first word that shows up on your works cited page. So if it's an author and it's Tizelle, Sarah, Tizelle is going to be the word that goes there. If it's an article that doesn't have an author, and the article is called How to Eat Shredded Cheese, how is the word that is going to go up there. Now remember, you have one fact per note card, and the thing at the bottom here, I'll get around to that, so don't worry too much about what's up here. So once all of your note cards are done, what you're going to do is you're going to sort by topic. So you're going to find all the note cards that have the same word up here in the left-hand column. You're going to group all of those together. Some of your topics are going to have multiple note cards. Some of them are going to have maybe just one or two. Don't worry about how many you have, just make sure that they're sorted so that all of the topics are listed together. When you do that, you're going to try to figure out what order you think you're going to discuss them in your paper. If it's something that has a history or a background, that's probably going to be the first things that you put in your paper, but it might not always be. What you'll do is you'll spread all your note cards out on the ground, so make sure you find a nice big space for you to do this. Then you're going to lay them out. Once you think this note card or this fact comes before this fact and then it follows up by this fact, start to lay them all out, and once you think you have them in a good order, in pencil, not pen, I want you to write the number down here of when it appears in your paper. So the first thing you're going to talk about in your paper is going to have a 1 in the bottom middle. Now I have a fake little note card here for you to check out on a fake paper topic. So you can see in my top left over here, it says history. So there's going to be a bunch of history note cards. The top right is my MLA citation. So the article, or story, or book that I got it from was by the author Tizelle. And then my fact is in the middle. The United States was founded in 1992. So I put a 1 down here at the bottom because that's going to be one of the first things that I have. Now, obviously, I'm going to keep all my history things together, so it makes sense that my next note card also has history. I've got a different source up here in the top right-hand corner that comes from an article called Aztec and You. And I took a quote. You can see that I've got quotation marks at both the beginning of my quote and at the end. That's something you got to make sure you keep on your note cards as you go through. So it says the United States was founded because giants wanted a unique and safe home. And I put 2 on there because that's going to pop up second in my paper. Now, as I'm actually writing my paper and I go through, I might have the United States was founded because giants wanted a unique and safe home back in 1992. So I might have to switch around my paper numbers or my note card numbers. That is why these numbers at the bottom here should be in pencil. I will explain a little bit more about this when I come back to class on Tuesday, but this should be enough to hopefully get you started. All right, have a great Monday, guys. We'll see you tomorrow.